Exciting details about Samsung's new flagship, the Galaxy S25, have started to emerge. Although it hasn't been officially unveiled yet, leaked details already show what innovations this phone will bring. In this video, we'll explore the key features of the Galaxy S25, such as its camera, processor, display, battery design, and price. How will it perform? What will its design look like? When is its release date? We answer all these questions based on the leaks we have. Before starting our video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with tech news and leaks like this. Turn on notifications to stay informed about our videos, and hit the like button if you enjoy this content. Also, feel free to share any other leaks you know about the Samsung Galaxy S25 in the comments. If you're ready, let's dive right in and learn more about the potential impact of the Galaxy S25. One of the most talked about innovations of the Galaxy S25 is Samsung's next-generation processor, the Exynos 2500. According to current information, this processor will revolutionize AI performance. Samsung has focused on an artificial intelligence engine called the Neural Processing Unit, NPU, with this chip. What does this mean? The Exynos 2500 won't just boost device speed, but will also better optimize battery life and offer smoother experiences between applications. Rumors suggest that alternative models with Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 will also be available. However, Samsung reportedly plans to release its own processor in a wider range of regions this year, suggesting an effort to make up for past issues with Exynos processors. Will this new chip really surpass the performance and efficiency of the Galaxy S24's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip? The information about the Galaxy S25's camera is truly exciting. Reports indicate that Samsung will once again opt for a 200-megapixel primary camera, as in previous models. However, this time it's not just about hardware upgrades. It seems to be coupled with an AI-supported camera algorithm. Efforts are reportedly focused on improving low-light performance, smart scene recognition, and more natural color tones through special software. Additionally, the device is said to enhance its 10x optical zoom capability, allowing for sharp detail capture even at long distances. Some leaks even claim that the 100x space zoom feature will now produce clearer results with less noise. On the video side, the Galaxy S25 is rumored to support 8K resolution video recording at 60 frames per second, a performance currently unmatched by most phones on the market. Samsung's dominance in display technology is well known. The leaks about the Galaxy S25 screen suggest this tradition will continue. The device is expected to feature a 6.8-inch QHD Plus Dynamic AMOLED 2X display with support for a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate. The most striking detail is the display brightness. Samsung might push the Galaxy S25's maximum brightness to an incredible 2,500 nits, ensuring visibility even under direct sunlight. The side bezels have reportedly been further slimmed down, delivering an almost bezel-free design. The most notable change is a shift from the traditionally angular design associated with Ultra models to rounded corners. Samsung seems to be making significant updates to the Galaxy S25's design, both in durability and aesthetics. The frame is rumored to be reinforced with a redesigned aluminum frame, while Gorilla Glass Victus 4 will be used on both the front and back, enhancing durability and providing a more premium feel. In addition to classic black and white, pastel shades like light blue and powder pink will be added, targeting younger users who are likely to adore these colors. Reports about the Galaxy S25's battery capacity suggest a promise of extended usage times. A 5,000 mAh battery, similar to the Galaxy S24, is expected. However, the Exynos 2500 processor's optimizations are said to improve energy management significantly. The Galaxy S25 is rumored to support 65-watt fast charging, a substantial improvement over the Galaxy S24's 45-watt. Wireless charging is also expected to reach 30-watt, significantly enhancing the wireless charging experience. However, Samsung's policy of not including a charger in the box is likely to continue, meaning you may need to purchase one separately.
Welcome to Samsung Galaxy Unpacked.
Samsung typically unveils its Galaxy S series at its annual Unpacked event in February. This tradition is expected to continue with the Galaxy S25, with the device likely to be introduced in the second week of February 2025. Alongside the Galaxy S25, Samsung might also introduce new accessories like Galaxy Buds or smartwatches at the event. The discussions around the Galaxy S25's price indicate that Samsung aims to solidify its position in the premium segment this year. The starting price is expected to be between $1,200 and $1,400, varying with storage options and regions. For example, the top-tier 1 TB storage model could cost up to $1,600. This pricing puts it in direct competition with the anticipated iPhone 16. The Galaxy S25 excites not just Samsung users, but all tech enthusiasts with its features. Today, we've shared the expected specifications and detailed analysis of this device. Do you think Samsung can take the top spot in the flagship segment this year? Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. If you like this video and want to see more content like this, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. See you in the next video.